Hello Maths Legends, today we're going to investigate scale and we're going to look at trying to convert between actual measurement and the dimensions on our maps or diagrams.
Okay guys, when we're talking about scale, it's about changing the dimensions of a shape exactly so that we are either enlarging or reducing the shape. Now you can sort of sometimes see this when we're on our iPhones, you can see it on maps, you can see it on diagrams, or even in little like Scalextric car models. It's really important to know though that the dimensions are the actual measurements, so that the length, the height, and the width of an object. So we're just changing those all exactly the same amount. When we're looking at doing scale, you're given normally a real amount and you're given a scale amount. Now in this picture here, you can see that each of the squares are 1 centimetre wide. And it asks us, if the sofa is 2 metres long, how big is 1 centimetre in regards to the real measurement? So how many metres is 1 centimetre equal? So if we look there, we have our sofas, and our sofa takes up 2 squares. So if we have 2 squares and the sofa is 2 metres, we would go 2 divided by 2 and we would get 1 metre. So our scale is 1 centimetre is equal to 1 metre. So if I check it out, I go, here is 1 metre of the couch, here is 2 metres of the couch. This one's a little bit trickier. It asks you for the actual distance between Ruby Rock to Gemstone. Now I can see Ruby Rock is over here. And Gemstone is over here. And you can see that it covers 2 squares. Now I know that I have 40 kilometres between the 2 squares. And I know that I have 2 squares. So I'm going to see how much each of the square equates to. So 40 kilometres divided by 2 is equal to 20 kilometres. So my scale is 1 centimetre equals to 20 kilometres. Ooh, I put centimetres down there, my fault. Now if I go back, I can double check this and I can go that I have 20 kilometres, 40 kilometres, that is correct. Here's my third one. Now this is a bit trickier and I've left this one for you guys to do because the first ones are really easy. It says at the widest part of the island, it is 200 kilometres, east to west. Now, you can see if we were going to have a look at the widest parts, it does around about 2.5 squares. Now, I want you to stop the video now and see if you can work out exactly what 1 square would equate to. Hopefully you've had a really good crack at that, gents. You can see that 2.5 squares, we have 250 metres, 250 kilometres, sorry, and we're going to divide it by 2.5 squares. I know that that would equate to 100 kilometres. So 1 centimetre is equal to 100 kilometres. Now if I double check that, I have 100, 200, and then a half of 100 square is 50. So 100, 200, 250. We've got our answer. Well done. Gents, take down some notes. Any issues, please bring them into class. Look forward to doing this with you this week.